Welcome to my another tutorial. Today I want to share how you will get paid $600 from slot machine links Jackpot make money online. Step by step I want to share without any types of previous knowledge or experiences. You can start your journey from any corner of the world. So pay close attention. Before starting this video, I cordially request to subscribe my first channel. This is Make Money Online, and click the bell button to get all the notifications from here. And if you are interested and you wanna make money online just like this, and keep watching. If you appreciate my videos, smash the like button now and share more and more. So let's get started. Alright, this is called the digistore24app.com. This one is a affiliate networking website. By using this you can promote other people's product and get paid big commission. This is very easy and you can do it from any corner of the world. In my total video I wanna share 2 steps to earning $600 per day. Step number 1, unveiling a brand new website that pays PayPal money online, and step number 2, revealing how to earn more dollars with this method. So pay close attention. First of all, if you don't have any account on this digistore24.com, first of all you have to create your account on this platform. After providing all the informations, you have to log in and you will get these amazing features. And you are watching this one, lots of products are available on this platform here. First of all, this one is betting system, second one is business and investment, computer and internet, dance and music, dating, love and relationships, and many more over here. And first of all, if you click on this betting system, you will get this lots of trendy product which is very fruitful to earn extra cash from any corner of the world. If you come over here and you will get this product, slot machine system. Slot machine system, number one new offer on that Digistore from the creators of multiple number one 7-figure offers on clickbait, and get back on the gravy train and promote the number one making money offer ever created. Huge front-end and back-end commissions. Get all the apps tools over here, and you will get the 70% commission from selling of this product over here. And this price is 83 euro and commission 75%, and earning per sale Canadian 53 euro. And this one is vendor name, and this one is created before 17 weeks ago. I mean billing types single payment over here, and you can work on different types of platform at free or paid. In this video I want to share how you will start your journey to promote this machine links, I mean product link, free and paid altogether. So pay close attention over here. And if you click on this sales page and just come to this next page over here, and this one is ordinary people all over the world are using this one wire trick to win playing at slots, casinos or feast. So this is the best and amazing way. This is a training that shows people how to win on slot machine over here, and you can watch this video from here, and after watching this video will get the total informations about this product, everything how you promote this particular product and get people buy it, and you can earn from this slot machine system altogether. And as you can see here is your video over here, and after watching this one you can start your journey. Now if you come to this first page, this one is affiliate support page. Just open this one and you will get this another total informations about this product. This one is affiliate program, and are you ready for the best gaming and casino education, and total informations over here. And this one is promo link, and you have to promote this link to start your journey on this platform over here. And if you come to this, and you will get lots of informations about this product. And this one is demographics. Slot machine system converts best for US traffic, ages 50 plus. We are seeing best results with an overall as demographic male or female ratio is consistently around 50 for 50. And this one are concerned countries. This one is Canada, Mexico, Australia, Argentina, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Costa Rica, Spain, France, Italy, Panama, Uruguay are over here. And you can promote the link on these particular countries. Now I want to share how you will promote the link on free and paid method step by step. And if you come to this, you will get the banners about this about this product over here, and you have to source this link from here. And this one is email swipe, I think, and you can use this subject line, and this one is body, and email number 1, email number 2, email number 3, email number 4, email number 5, email number 6. I will promote this product to complete this email swipe altogether. Number 1, I want to share how you will promote this link on free method. Now if you come to this facebook.com, you will get lots of groups about that New York, I mean Las Vegas, or I mean different types of countries people. So if you come to this facebook.com, just search on we love New York, and lots of people, I mean thousands of people are engaged on this group here, just like this one. And you have to create a good relationship with this group to promote that links, and you have to post on that different affiliate marketing, I mean product. You can work on this, you can work about this slot machine system, how you will create a link, I mean how you will provide your test link over here. First of all, you have to create you have to make a good relationship with this group over here, and this is the best and easiest way to start your journey. I mean this is called the free method on facebook.com. After engaging with this group, you can post more and more on different types of product just for free. So how you will promote? Then I would like to share another one. If you provide on that particular groups, I mean you have to write a post or article on Microsoft Word or other notepad. So how you will write this one? Hey, first of all, you have to write down like this. Hey, do you want to get this product? And I would like to inform lots of informations about slotmachine.com. After writing this article on Microsoft Word or notepad, you can post that article on this particular group. Boom, this is the best and easiest way. If anybody come to this article or read this article, and they will click on this particular link, I mean promote link over here, and then you will get sale more and more. This is the free method, I think. Now I would like to share another paid method. This is called the udemy.com. udemy.com, this is the best and trustworthy website to promote your affiliate link for ensuring extra cash just using this website over here. Now how you will do it, and what should you do after coming here? First of all, you have to create an account on this website, and after creating an account on this website, you can get lots of visitors over here. First of all, then creating an account, just you can choose the vendor from here, and if you click on this Anthony Rosek, and this is the vendor, you can get help from him. So how you will start your journey? First of all, you can start your journey with 100 visitors. Alright, after clicking on this add text, just you have to provide the subject, I mean title over here, and you should come to this email number 6 and subject line. This one you have to copy from here, and this one just paste over here, and this one also you can paste over here, and then you can select from here, and this one you have to bold. So this one underlined over here, and then what should we do? Now you have to come to this website and copy this one from here, and then just paste it over here. Boom, this is the best and easiest way to provide all the informations about this slot machine. And this one you are not going to believe what you are secret are here, and this one you have to select, and you have to select this one and promote link from here, and this one, and then that's it, and add to cart over here. This is the best and easiest way, I think, to start your journey by using this Udemy and digistore24.com. So first of all, I cordially request to start your journey as a free method. I mean, using your facebook.com, you will get lots of visitors first time, and though you have to spend your time to get lots of visitors from website from the facebook.com. On the other hand, if you want to spend more money, I mean want to get lots of, or want to earn more and more money, you can go to the paid method. This is called udemy.com, and you can start your journey like this to promote your link or product link over here. So if you just target 100 visitors by using this udemy.com, and minimum you will get 5 visitors who will click the link to ensure extra cash from this digistore24.com. This is the best and easiest way, I think, to start your journey from any corner of the world for earning extra cash in this bad situation. Thanks for watching this video. I could request to subscribe my channel, and if you didn't subscribe, and click the bell button to get all the notifications, and share more and more with your friends. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.